A very warm greetings to everyone. I am Lance Corporal Sugitha from Valalar College for Women, 15 Tamil Nadu Battalion NCC. What are fundamental duties and what is the role of every Indian citizen in these fundamental duties? Let's see all these things in our short video clip. Fundamental duties. The fundamental rights and fundamental duties are sections of the Constitution of India that prescribe the fundamental obligations of the state to its citizens and the duties and the rights of the citizens to the state. The fundamental duties of the citizens were added to the Constitution by the 42nd Amendment in 1976 upon the recommendations of the Swaran Singh Committee. Originally 10 in number, the fundamental duties were increased to 11 by the 86th Amendment in 2002. Let's see the 11 fundamental duties noted in the Constitution of India. It shall be the duty of every citizen of India to abide by the Constitution and respect the national flag and the national anthem, to cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired our national struggle for freedom, to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India, to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so, to promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood amongst all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic, and regional or sectional diversities, to renounce practices derogatory to the dignity of women, to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture, to protect and improve the natural environment including forests, lakes, rivers, wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures, to develop the scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform, to safeguard public property and to abjure violence, to strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity so that the nation constantly rises to higher levels of endeavor and achievement, to provide opportunities for education by the parent and the guardian to his child or a ward between the ages of 6 to 14 years as the case may be. These are the 11 fundamental duties that obligate all citizens to respect the national symbols of India, including the Constitution, to cherish its heritage, preserve its culture, and assist in its defense. They also obligate all Indians to promote the spirit of common brotherhood, protect the environment, and strive towards excellence in all spheres of life. Even though India has many religions, cultures, there may be several diversities, but we all are united by the name India and we all are its citizens. It's our duty to follow the fundamental duties. Jai Hind.